I'm Mike Melloan. I'm a semi-retired auctioneer real estate broker, and I've been banking with South Central Bank for over 50 years. My first interaction with Ken Bale, I was 11 years old and sold my first tobacco crop, which were some leaves I had picked up on the farm, and Ken Bale treated me as well that day as he did somebody that had 50 acres of tobacco. Through the years, I've borrowed a whole lot of money from South Central Bank. I have done a lot of business with them. My daughter and her husband are customers of South Central. My two grandsons are customers of South Central. I started out with a checking account, and through the years after that, then I got a home mortgage, some personal loans, situations like that. A very important thing to me is dealing with people that know me, know who I am. The people that I've dealt with South Central Bank through the years, they know who Mike Melloan is. They call me by name when I go in the bank. I'm not a number. I'm a customer that they value. Customer service is just first class. Whatever you need, they're going to take care of. Been able to have the relationship with them to where whenever I needed something, I could call them and they would quickly take care of it. And that's important to me, the personal touch. When we were buying our home here, we needed to move in a pretty expeditious manner in order to get the property closed, to do it as quick as we could. David Fort and South Central leaned over backwards to make everything move quick and smooth, and I was able to buy the property at, I think, a better price than if I had gone through a long drawn-out loan process. South Central has always been a community bank, and I think they've always participated. They typically are involved in community activities. They support the community, and I think it's important that they aren't too big to deal with local folks, and I think that's important. I don't think I would be as financially well off as I am because of the way that they worked with me when I needed to borrow money to buy a piece of property or with my home or whatever. If I had to recommend South Central Bank to anyone as far as a bank for them to use, I would just explain to them how they know how to deal with people. They value people. This day and time, I think one of the most critical things is the people aspect of it. And I want to understand that you care about my business rather than meeting some type of quota. About 10 or 12 years ago, I was chairman of the finance committee at our church, and we were in the process of building a new Christian Life Center, needed to borrow around it's a little over $1 million, I think. Over the next couple of years, interest rates went up. Of course, we maintained the same interest rate. Later, interest rates went down. And even though we were locked in at a certain deal, South Central contacted us and said, rates have gone down, we're going to lower yours by 1.5%. That's significant. They didn't have to do that, but that's the kind of bank that South Central Bank is.